In this video, I'm making the viral carrot wrap, and they are so damn good. No wonder this recipe went viral. Here's how I did it. So I basically took 3 medium carrots and cleaned and peeled them. You can use 2 large carrots for this recipe if you want only 3 wraps. Then you're gonna grate them using a grater, and once that is done, you're going to squeeze the excess liquid from the carrots. And don't worry if you don't get like all of the liquid. You don't need to squeeze it through a cheesecloth or anything. Just get out as much of it as you can and you'll be fine. Now, carrots are a healthy source of vitamins A and C, and good for the eyes as well. Let's not forget that. Then you're going to add 1 egg, and I added 30 grams of mozzarella cheese here. You can add as much or as little as you like. And then you want to give that a good mix. And then you're going to add your favorite spices. So for me, I added black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder, along with some salt, of course. So here, feel free to add all the spices that you like. And then once that is done, you're just going to give it a good mix. And then you're going to start placing it in a wrap form, in like a circular form, on your baking sheet tray. Here you can make a big wrap, or you could just do individual wraps right here. So I made 3 of them forming circular shapes on my parchment paper, and then you're going to bake in your oven for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And there you have it, these lovely carrot wraps. They are super delicious, and I paired mine with some cottage cheese, and then I had some salad veggies in the fridge, and so I just put it on it here. Feel free to use whatever toppings you like. It will go amazing with just about anything. Right, so I paired mine with some salad veggies, and let me tell you, it was just simply the bomb. The flavors are on point. Everything works so well together. I highly recommend that you give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments below how much you like it. Enjoy!